Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm going to talk about the BMWs and Volkswagen losing a coolant, what has happened in my case, what the dealer has advised me, and what are the solutions if your BMW and Volkswagen is losing the coolant. And this is going to probably work for the Audi because Audi is like a more nicer Volkswagen. Anyways, stick with this video right now and let's get into it. So this is what I usually start off. Let's say I went in for a service, I've done my oil, and I got the dealer to check the coolant just all the way to the max line. So I would put about 10,000 kilometers or 6,500 miles. So again, 10,000 kilometers, and my coolant will drop all the way here to the minimum. So I see on the questions, a lot of you guys were asking, is this okay to get my coolant over here? Now, of course, it's not okay, but with these newer Beamers, with these newer turbocharged engines, this is what this usually ends up happening with the BMWs and Volkswagen. So in my particular case, I would do about 10,000 kilometers or 6,500 miles, and I would be at the minimum, and that's the time when I bring my car for a service, because I do my oil every 10,000 kilometers. And once I'm at the minimum, I would get the dealer to top it up over here, do my oil, do my tires, tire rotation, all that. So if you guys are doing 10,000 kilometers and you're getting minimum and above, the dealer told me that is okay. If you are dropping way below minimum and you're getting about 2,000 miles, that is already an issue. So keep that in mind. Now, at the same time, if you are suspecting that you have a coolant leak, I do recommend that you have I put a tiny marker over here. In case if you were in the middle, put a tiny marker dot there so you can track how much coolant you're losing, what's happening with your coolant. Now, if you're suspecting, these are your options. You can get the dealer to do the pressure test. So they're going to check and all these, if you're losing coolant elsewhere and all these hoses. And another option is, like the dealer told me, if you're getting 10,000 kilometers between the oil changes and other services, you could just top up the coolant, either get the dealer to top it up, or get a bit of coolant. I'm going to link in description. And then when you're at the minimum here or at the middle, top it up here on the maximum before you go for a long trip. And that's pretty much that. So hopefully this was a little bit helpful, but this is what's happening with the newer cars that are running turbocharged engines. And that's pretty much that. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up so other people get to see this video and they can benefit from it. Take care and have a good one.